We often hear the glamorized version of the adult entertainment industry. But behind the headlines are real people who face difficult consequences and now have important lessons to share. Today, let's respectfully explore the stories of some former adult performers who deeply regret their past decisions but have found new paths and healing. 1. Mia Khalifa. Mia Khalifa's time in the industry lasted only a few months, but one scene went viral worldwide, bringing her years of online harassment and threats. She's called her decision naive, saying she was young, vulnerable, and unaware of the long-term consequences. She earned very little during that time, while her content continued to circulate online. Today, Mia has completely shifted her focus, becoming a businesswoman, influencer, model, and jewelry designer.
What do you do for a living?
I am a jewelry designer.
She's also used her platform to speak out about exploitation, mental health, and the challenges of reclaiming one's identity. 2. Lana Rhoades. At just 19, Lana Rhoades entered the industry, a decision she's publicly expressed deep regret over. In interviews, she's stated she wishes her content could be fully erased and warns others about the permanent digital footprint such decisions leave behind. Since leaving, Lana has built a successful social media career, becoming an influencer, podcast host, and mother. She continues to speak openly about the emotional challenges she faced and uses her story to caution others. 3. Crissy Moran. Crissy Moran was once one of the most popular names in the industry. However, behind the scenes, she struggled with emotional pain and regret. In 2006, after a personal transformation and spiritual awakening, she left the industry entirely. Today, Crissy is a public speaker, advocate against exploitation, and works to raise awareness about the long-term effects of the adult industry, especially the difficulty of removing content once it's online. For Bree Olson. Bree Olson appeared in over 170 films before retiring. While she didn't face the same threats as others, she has often spoken about the heavy social stigma attached to former performers. She has since shifted her focus toward building a family, pursuing studies, and advocating for more honest conversations about the real risks involved in adult content work. In early 2025, Bree shared the joyful news of her pregnancy and is embracing her role as a mother. These stories share common threads: early decisions made at vulnerable ages, the permanent nature of online content, emotional struggles, and lasting judgment from society. But equally powerful is their courage to rebuild, heal, and redefine their lives. Their experiences offer important reminders about informed choices, long-term consequences, and the strength of personal growth and resilience. If you found value in today's video, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's continue to have honest, respectful conversations about the real-life consequences many face behind the cameras.